line Advocate A.V. Vaman Kumar. And A.V. Vaman Kumar is a mentor, and he is also a progressive Melvin James Fellow, and he was district governor in 1819 in District 318C, and he is MCC, multiple council chairman in 1920. He is a LCIP trainer, and he has been selected as a group leader for district governor elects polling that will happen in February 22. He is one between the two group leaders from India. He has been a faculty for Islamic Forum, many multiple district schooling and district level training. So I welcome Advocate A.V. Vaman Kumar. So he is also the mentor for presenter Y.S. Rao. So now he will introduce Y.S. Rao. Please,
Yes,
now
sir.
exactly at 8:30, I am giving.
Yeah, correct. Yes, Subhashi, hearty congratulations for this outstandingly brilliant time sense and keeping the time. So we should also do the same thing. I have the great pleasure and privilege of introducing the first presenter of the day. Eramshetty Srinivas Rao is a member of Vijayawada Jubilee Lions Club from District 316D.
Record. Yes.
He started his career 31 years back as a Lion in the year 1990. So he has completed glorious 30 years in Lionism as a member. He served his club as secretary, president, and the district zone chairperson, and currently he is holding the office of the region chairperson of District 316D. As the secretary, he was the outstanding secretary of the district. He was the outstanding president of the district. And in 2014-15, he served District 316D as the district cabinet secretary. And no wonder and no surprise, he was awarded as the best cabinet secretary of the multiple 316. He has been working for long years with Indian Railway, and he retired from Indian Railway. This gentleman is even now working as a negotiating officer between the staff and the management of Indian Railway. And he has, you will be surprised to know from me that he has traveled and visited 18 countries just for the purpose of attending training programs. And he has the unique privilege and pleasure of having attended the training program under Dale Carnegie Institute. He is a very regular faculty for the region chairperson, zone chairperson schooling, PhD seminar, and other seminars of Landscape International organized in his district. Srinivas Rao also is a regular faculty for various banking institutions, Indian Railway, and he is one among the panel speakers for BMW, such a multinational company also. He has been very rich in his knowledge, training, conducting training programs, and he is an erudite leader, reader, as well as a wonderful, trainer also. He is happily married to Parvati Devi, and he has a son and a daughter. His son, Avinash, is settled in Chicago in the United States of America, and his daughter, Anusha, is married to Vamshi, and she is settled in Australia now. So, my dear friends, I have great pleasure and privilege to present before you the first presenter of the day, a person who really mesmerized and impressed me through his commitment and sincerity towards his program, Srinivas Rao from District 316D, for presenting the wonderful topic, corporate social responsibility. I request all the participants, if at all you have any questions, please don't type your questions when the session is going on. It can be a distraction to others. You please hold, and finally, Subhash Desai Bhai has given 7 minutes time for Q&A session. During the session, you can either type your question in the chat box, or even you can verbally ask your question. So kindly don't ask any questions and don't make any interruptions. So presenting before you once again, Mr. Rao, Srinivas Rao, the first president of the day, and wish him all the best. Please welcome him with a good round of applause. Over to you.
Yes, sir. Yeah, friend, Vaman sir really presented me like anything. I felt very happy today, excited to talk 3232, very beautiful district in the earth. I can tell that this is the greatest opportunity for me to talk to you all. Dear line leaders of 3232, it is my pleasure. It is my pleasure to stand before you all to present the things which already you've done, that is called corporate responsibility. And it is a great subject which is chosen, and they allotted me this also. And more if I would like to share my screen also. Just the this corporate social responsibility is not so easy to tell only 25 minutes. But one thing I would like to share my feelings also. This corporate social responsibility is a mechanism by which companies hold themselves to set a legal, ethical, social, and ecological standards to be a responsible organization. Is a definition given by the government. And what is encompasses?
So you must make your presentation mode, slideshow mode.
Yeah, and this is to upload. This is uphold the principles of sustainable development. Most important. This is sustainable development. Public awareness also will come in this. Ethical and environmental issues. It means that the companies need to be economically feasible also. Create a positive impact to society, respect and preserve the environment. When the corporate social responsibility involved by the company, that staff also friendly, good working conditions they will enjoy. Honest to goodness with customers also, most important. That's a great feeling.
Just click that, bottom side. There is an ice cream cup like an icon.
Yes, coming.
You can press F5.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So India, I would like to, the greatest feeling that India is the first country in the world to make CSR is a mandatory. Nowhere in the world. This is the first country in the world. And in the Companies Act of 2013, amendment also did in 2014. The rule of the CSR, how to follow the rules of every company, they set one standard lines also. A net profit in excess of 5 crores net profit, or the company should have 500 crores net worth, or 1,000 crores turnover. The most standard. These are the three most important things. Or an Indian corporate need to spend minimum 2%. Already, district governor said already, 2% of their average annual profit from past 3 years on CSR activity. One more surprisingly note that this government has made wonderful mandatory also. If they fail to spend the mandatory CSR amount, they are imprisoned for 5 years also, or fine up to 25 lakhs. So, and CSR projects, what is the CSR projects? These CSR projects are designed under the United Nations Sustainable Growth. This is an organization which always made design for 17 goals, 17 services, under which only 5 services allotted to CSR project. Better to do it because they're not restricted. Better to follow. All CSR companies must follow these 5. Healthcare, sanitation and education program, most for children. Environmental conservations, rural development, poverty and eradication, general equality. Most important, this is recently added in the amendment of 2013, 2017, 2014. Research and development. This is the greatest step taken by the government to the guidance for companies. All the CSR projects should be research and development. This if they put here, there's 3 generations also will not forget. 3 generations will not forget the research and development. And startup incubators. Now the government of India, any startup company came forward, CSR funds can be utilized or invested and help them to come up in the life, because that company is going to be number 1. And one more great news is universities and IITians. And IITian, if you want to put a project, if the person, the student or the faculty, if you applied for CSR project, the company is coming forward and investing on the IITian, because one IITian invented a subject, it's going to be number 1 in the world. Most important, it can be patented also. It can get patented. That credibility goes to the company also, which is helped the IITians. Next, this is 90% of the people don't know. Even the corporate sector people don't know how much CSR amount was spent 2014 to 2020. 79,303 crores spent so far. This year-wise is there, but I would like to share my feeling. Who is the project executors? Actually, CSR project cannot be dealt like as if that they cannot take some amount to the take from the company, they cannot give it to the society. The board of directors should appoint one committee, CSR committee. Those people must register society, and they should, under the Act of Section 8, and trust or society, it should be registered. Or the company decide to undertake a CSR activity through company establishment under Section 8 and undertake same projects for track record of 3 years. Most important. Otherwise, they cannot invest. Because the modalities utilization of funds of such projects, programs, and monitoring the reporting mechanism. The most important reporting mechanism also most required, because they cannot invest, they throw the money, they cannot come back. So this reporting mechanism must be there. And why CSR and Lions Clubs as executive partners? It is the greatest feeling that anybody knows that 14,000 crores last year spent, but because of COVID, they don't know how to spend, but they given to Government of India to 7,500 crores given to Government of India to face the COVID pandemic, because no organization went there. No organization or NGO organization not went to any company. Company himself decided that it should be spent immediately. So 14,000 crores, 7,500 crores given to the Government of India to help the COVID. And now, my dear friends, all line leaders, note that today 3,500 to 4,000 crores remain available. It is the greatest part of is the greatest chance for all of us. Even if you know that if you go approach a company, the people are there with the money, they're not able to decide how to invest also. So this is the greatest news. Now it is 7,500 crores almost available in entire the corporate societies under CSR name. CSR company and executors. And see, company himself cannot go. It finds some sort of NGOs. The credibility, and most important, credibility, track record with experience, because that NGO must have a credibility, track record with experience. The team also must be required, because we cannot invest we cannot take people from the society or 4 or 5 people, no. And administrative organization structure, details and reports also most important. Details and reports also required. My dear friends, can anybody tell me why Lions Clubs are best NGO to utilize the CSR company? Can anybody tell me? In chat box, say hello, anything. Okay, can mention. Why Lions Clubs? Because why Lions Clubs are most important? Why Lions Club? I'll tell you, Lions Club having a world network. World network. And this is having a 200 countries. If you want to if you want to consult, the company consult any NGO organization, we are the best one. I'll tell you, if the CSR, if anybody want to PhD degree in CSR, simply they can sit with the Lions Clubs, they can finish the PhD degree also, they can get a doctorate also, because we are expert in service. We know the technology, how to, and need of the society also we know. So most important, our Lions Club need not wait for others' money, but they're having a lot of source. Ours money, Lions Club members' money, and the CSR money together, we can help a biggest society, which is visible to the 2 generations, 3 generations also. World network, and we got a brand image. Most important, every company coming forward a brand image. If our Lions Club, nobody can check our brand image. Brand image is number 1, and expert administration. See, in this NGO organizations, the Lions Club having a administration is a Pakka administration, all DG team, all now GAT team. Everybody is a wonderful administrative team. This is, and ethical. Why means ethical? We will not misuse or take the money from others. We cannot spend like that. We got a very good ethical people, because we are already I myself came in the Lionism. I invested money. We are not taking money, but anybody gives that, we'll add my money and give it to the society. We are expert and best consultant. If the corporate social responsibility fund came to us, we are best consultant how to serve the society with our Lions Clubs also. And GAT team already told you. My dear friends, this is the best benefits. Why coming forward income tax 80G benefit under Income Tax Act. And company will be inaugurated of the project, because company also claim the responsibility, and corporation will tell you, all Lions Club leaders, you do the society, take this amount and put this amount in this my local area where the corporation or the company or this corporate company is there. So I would like to tell example, our Lions Club of Hyderabad taken from Coal India Limited and State Bank of India Limited, State Bank of India also, and invest in Ramagundam only, water plants. So they asked us to do service in some area, and project initiation also they will do, and execution through our members. Most important, they will see their money, they'll make us to spend. And see, God has given a very good chance. My dear leaders, don't wait for our money only. People are there with a lot of money is there. 700 crores is there in the companies. If you right now, I need not tell 3232. 3232 is expert in corporate social responsibility. They're utilizing the best corporate social responsibility in entire India. And I can tell that there is the biggest club also there. I'll let you know later. I'll tell you later. And company brand image building in social spheres along with our Lions Clubs. See, I'll tell you, Tata Tata is a company, and Synergy is a society registered under Tata. Both together are doing. But here, some people cannot register, cannot anything like Synergy. They can come to us, Lions Clubs. They'll request us, kindly, we got some 100 crores. You do it. Where is the right service? Tell me exactly. So they'll ask us. And company supervision is well appreciated in all stages of project, because we got a very good administration, where to send, where to give money, where to service, and where to repair also. After service, we have to maintain the service for longer time. It is not a corporate social responsibility fund cannot throw in the society. It should be maintained for the 2 or 3 generations. Such a way we have to invest. Already this 3232 district is expert, already invested like that. And proper project compliances report will be given to company also. So most important, I would like to tell you the greatest thing. I'm very, very excited to talk this subject in this district. I'm very excited because this Lions Club of Karnavati, it is having a 2,500 members, and biggest in the world, and anyway biggest in the India also. That club, our Subhash Desani, our GAT area leader, proudly, because he's talking here, and he edified me like anything since morning and Wednesday also. He has the charter. He is also one of the president of the club. And apart from that, they're taken corporate social responsibility because of the credibility what Lions Clubs and the credibility of the Karnavati club. They constructed a Lions Eye Hospital, for which they have taken 100 crores, 1,000 crores from SBI, subject to correction. Okay, subject to correction, because a great heart of the people is 3232, all giving nature only, all giving nature. That especially 3232 area, not only Lions Club, every people they will enjoy in giving. But in the Karnavati club, all the Lions Club leaders are only the giving. They will not expect anything. But if you cooperation with if you accommodate, if you combinedly together, corporate social responsibility, CSR project, that can be number one. And so many people are there in this organization. And really, we need not go, we say the corporate, if you go, any company want to go consult, any consultant, how to spend the money, they will charge. But here, we are not the man to charge. We'll help you how to utilize 1,000 times better than other corporation also. So most important here, I would like to tell you, this is not it is the greatest feeling for me. Every person want to, any university want to create a degree, or even consult, want a PhD in corporate social responsibility. every student of all the universities or anywhere in the world, they must visit Karnavati Club. They'll sit there nearly 20 to 30 days, sit there, present exact paper. That can be a role model. They'll get a PhD on corporate social responsibility in economics or in a corporation, anything, social service also. And one of the my district also always talk about my multiple council chairpersons, all the people, all the DGs, including Sudhakar Reddy is also here. They will always talk about 3-2-3-2 only, because apart from the Lions clubs, you use maximum utilization of this social responsibility, a corporate social responsibility. And apart from that, I would like to mention, this is this is one of the feeling of what I felt like that. These two people, why I am telling you, Praveen Chajed, past international director, under the leadership, this corporate social responsibility using everybody talking about him only. Because I heard recently, 15 days back, what I observed, I did a lot of Googling, and most important, I consult so many people there in the area of your people. I got so many friends there in Indian Railways, working officers. They told about positively, they are investing crores, but they become a number one in the earth because of this corporate social responsibility. And Madam Aruna Oswalji, PID, she has, I hope, subject to correction, some 31 crores she has given from Oswald Group as a CSR responsibility. So our club itself is a role model in CSR. Even Government of India, I didn't understand one thing. Even Government and India, this Companies Act of this act has changed and altered or amended by seeing your club only. Because you are given a guidelines to the Government of India how to do CSR responsibility. I hope you also don't know how impacted the Government of India in social responsibility, corporate social responsibility design. This is the greatest feeling. And tell me, sir, anyone raising hand, Dr. Midotwal Kalsi. Okay. Anybody, sir? Anything? Okay. I will let you know later. Okay. And thanks for these two people. I am standing before you honestly and with proudly. These corporate social responsibility, I learned a lot of things from you. And most important, this is not an ordinary subject. This subject can talk anything, any number of hours also. And the giving nature, both are giving nature, how to do the most important. And second, this is my end of the, before ending the seminar, I would like to say thanks to the two people, most important. The two people is our Vaman Kumar ji. Vaman Kumar has told me about so many guidelines he given me. And apart from that, not only guidelines, he has given how to present the things. He has given a very good presented things. And the district governors, at last I would like to say thanks to Subhash Dasani, GAT area leader, and area leader 3232, and line JP Trivedi, multiple council chairperson 3232 also, my mentor Vaman Kumar and Srinivas Saileke, and coordinators, because Aaron Mevada and Dr. Hardik Mevada and Sanjeev also helped me a lot since morning about the corporate responsibility, CSR, and advised me some of the scenes also, some of the screens he want me to change. And before saying thanks, I would like to ask anybody, just can ask me anything, and I'm here to do. And especially special thanks to PID Narendra Bandarji, Dr. Deepak Chaudhary, PDG, and Anand Mehta, PDG, Ruchita ji, and Line Nagaraju, who is always continuously along with me. And this is the facility as given by me, by the entire Lions Club platform, GAT platform, FDA faculties, and thanks to one and all. And thank you so much. And this is the greatest opportunity to talk to you all. And thank you so much. Anybody can ask me any questions. And now, any question and answers, any can ask me. My Vaman Kumar tell that, and Subhash Dasani can tell me. Subhash Dasani, any PDGs can help me to tell any answers also.
So, if anybody want to ask the question, one raise has been hand by DK Midtown has been written. So who is the DK Midtown? DK Midtown has raised the hand. So who is he? If he is here, so he can ask. Otherwise, anybody want to ask any questions? So prepare the question. And I want to ask one question, sir.
Yes, sir.
So for the this corporate social responsibility, so you have not touched about the subject about the procedure. So that suppose I am having the charitable trust, but I should be registered in the concern. Which where should I be? Should register our trust so that we can get CSR amount. So do you know this, sir?
Yes, sir. Under corporate social responsibility, we got a formality under registration. They got a guidelines. There are 17 to 18 guidelines are there, out of which we had a Lions Club Karnavati. Suppose example, in the Karnavati, you can register one more trust also with the trust or corporate society. Of course, I'm not a man to tell you, because you know pretty well that registration, you have a track record of 3 years in service activity, and track record of very good service activity. Apart from that, you should have a certificate of ATCC exemption certificate from Income Tax Department. So these 3 conditions, if you apply any corporation. And one more thing, sir, I would like to add, because of this question, even the corporations are not earning any profit also. They are prepared to give money even in the losses also. Nowadays, this pandemic, people are ready to donate under corporate social responsibility. They are giving to give also, even if it doesn't get any profits also. People are waiting with money, but we are not approaching because our formalities, our NGO, Lions Club, not fulfilled some of the things what you asked now. Not registered, is a society or a trust. It is not having a 3 years track record. That is the reason we are not able to approach there. We should fulfill first of all, that is. When you're going there, we should have a proper uniformity in the.
So you have said 3 years track record, ATG certificates, and another thing.
Trust, it should be registered trust.
And charitable trust should be there.
Our
so
society.
I request all the Lions clubs which are having the charitable trust under Section 80B, they should take the registration there, please.
Sir, I would like to add one more thing. Out of 3,500 crores, it is because you can check yourself. There are 2,000 crores. There are 2,000 crores in the Gujarat itself under CSR amount. All the companies are waiting. Corporations, 2,000 crores are waiting in Gujarat, because it is the greatest opportunity for 3232 anybody to approach all the companies. You have to identify those companies.
So, raised by mentor Srinivas.
Okay, not a question. I'm just trying to add one more point. You
Yes,
should
yeah.
also have a certificate under Section 12A of the Income Tax Act
Yes,
to
sir.
get
Yeah.
CSR funds.
Yeah, great, sir.
Yes. Yeah, ATG and 12A.
Yeah, 12A.
And the latest thing
12A,
is that
12A is the Commissioner of Income Tax will giving you the certificate.
yeah.
ATG is that you give certificate for the donors.
Donors.
So latest news is this, that ATG and 12A will be finished in the August month. So you have to register before August. You have to register also once again. So that is another thing. So if anybody want to ask any question, anybody?
Bashi,
Yes, Ji.
yeah, just an additional information. The Lions
Yeah.
Coordination Committee of India has started a new, effort. One lion, Vishwas from Mumbai, has been entrusted the duty of coordinating the CSR activities of all the multiples. And I think Hitesh Gandraji from 3232 has been appointed as a coordinator for that. So once we can definitely prepare a project report and a plan, we can approach, and there is an organization now under LCCIA to give you all support to approach the companies for CSR funds.
That is a fantastic.
Yeah.
That is fantastic. So people must have noticed this 2 person. So if you prepare the project, and you can approach to take money from CSR.
Yeah.
So anybody else, if anything want to ask, please. there are so many chartered accountant also here. They can be also asked. So we have still the time because, so if anybody, so I request Srinivas ji, your
Yes,
mentor, you want to say something?
My mentor will talk, sir. Anything, sir? Vaman sir.
Sorry.
Time
Yes.
of-
Yeah. No,
Yes,
Subhash
Vaman Kumar ji.
Yeah,
Yes,
Subhash,
Vaman Kumar
once again, I suggest you that you might have all heard about Manappuram Foundation.
Yeah.
Manappuram
Our-
Foundation is,
Our international director.
yeah, Nandakumar ji. He has been giving
Yeah.
CSR fund for various projects of children's park, hospitals, and all those things. If you
Yes,
can
yes.
definitely present a good report, a project report, that company is also having a good amount of money with them for CSR activities. And he is giving, he is extending, especially in my multiply, he is giving a lot of fund for the CSR activities, various
Yeah.
activities. So please kindly 3232, you can also definitely approach Manappuram Foundation, and that foundation is also ready to support you your CSR activities, along with Oswald, Aruna Oswald Foundation also. We have our own companies. The only thing is that we are not taking effort to prepare viable projects and maintain or to fulfill the conditions of these companies. Strict monitoring, proper reporting, proper documentation, such things are needed. This is one area we can definitely tap into, and we can do great projects under our global causes. So there is fund. It is our will and wish whether we want to use it or not.
Yeah. So it is very well said.
सुभाष जी, वहाँ पे एक दो क्वेश्चन है चैट बॉक्स में.
अच्छा, एक मिनट.
राठौड़ जी का एक क्वेश्चन है और केतन जी का एक क्वेश्चन है.
Okay.
Sir, is there any source to know the name of the companies who are having a CSR fund in the balance in Gujarat?
That you can identify. You can contact the Department of Industries, sir. The industries, if you tell them, and some of the companies are registered companies are there. They got a plan, and they will tell you which company is having the CSR funds also, and that consultants are taking charge from them. That project they will give it us. But I request you, no need of all these things. You can go to Department of Industries. They will tell you which company is ready for investing in this CSR project. Money is allotted also. Those companies are ready also. We can identify those companies.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir.
And one more thing, sir. Some of the corporations, suppose my district 316D, my district governors or international directors, they themselves approach the company, industries, steel plant. They approach the steel plant. They take 100 crores and invested some of the Tufan and Hudud Tufan. But that is not came under simply they gave us, but not like that. If they're taken from CSR project, we will get ATCC. Those people also, Srinivas Sailuke has told beautifully, that also can be benefited from them at that point also. And our PDG, past district governor, he has taken a lot of care of the Lions Club members. He paid insurance premium all Lions Club members, because you are giving the frontline, as a worked as the frontline staff for the COVID case. He himself, from his company, he paid. Of course, he did not allotted as a CSR. Now we got an idea now. And second thing is, he has given a free medical aid kits, entire 360 from his company only. He has not taken anything from Lions Club people. He himself, Dr. Puttagonda Satish Kumar, and our DG now, Devineni Joni Kumari. They're doing a great thing, but not under social responsibility, but they can be utilized also for which also.
So,
सुभाष जी,
यहाँ बोलिए.
भाई चैट बॉक्स में डाला है csrbox.org. अगर आप ये वेबसाइट पे जाएंगे तो कहाँ पे अपने को किधर मिलेगा वो पूरा देख सकते हैं.
Okay,
जो कंपनी में फंड्स हैं.
yes, sir.
इसके साथ भी दूसरे काफी चीज है, तो आप आज इस पे ट्राई करना पड़ेगा ये साइट्स पे.
Okay.
Thank you.
So I request Hardik to
Yes, sir.
to circulate this link to our members so that they can take the advantage.
Sure.
Okay. Later on you can in our groups. Okay.
Great, sir. Great. Correct.
So if anybody is there, so otherwise we change the subject. Anything anybody want to say?
Yes, sir. So, sir, anybody want to give me suggestions regarding? And I thank you one and all. And the most important, sir, here on the last slide. And see, my mail ID is also I'm giving, sir. I'm sharing my mail ID, and anything help also I can do regarding the CSR project, because I did a great presentation for Indian Railways, for which Indian Railways benefited nearly 25 crores because of my corporate social responsibility work on the paper also. So you can contact me that any suggestions regarding this meeting, and any contact me, this my mail ID and contact number also.
So thank you very much. Thank you very much. So you are fully prepared, and so much knowledge you have given to all of us, and it will
Yes, sir.
very badly needed also, because we want to do the projects, but we don't know this, how can we get the money. So it is very good that you have shown the way. So thank you.
Thank you, sir.
So thank you,
so
the
much, Mr.
mentor also, and advocate. Thank you to you also.
Thank you.
Okay,
Okay,
PDG.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
So